Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So number 8, that is about number 2 to the power of 3. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. So we need to simplify x plus number 2 on numerator and denominator. So we have like this. And now I will put negative number 2 going here and here. So we have number 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.